The one-ranked product is Kwikset 988800004 SmartCode 888 Smart Lock Touchpad Electronic Deadbolt Door Lock with Z-Wave Plus. Featuring SmartKey security in satin nickel. Medium. Review score 4.4. Review count 1,655 ratings. Price $178.72. Customers like the ease of installation, quality, and connectivity of the hardware. They mention it works well, is easy to rekey, and connects well to SmartThings. Some appreciate the look, customers dislike. However, some customers are disappointed with the keyboard brightness and have different opinions on the build quality. The two-ranked product is Kwikset Home Connect 620 Smart Lock Deadbolt with Z-Wave technology. Works with Ring Alarm, Samsung SmartThings and more. Z-Wave hub required. Traditional design in Venetian bronze. Review score 4.4. Review count 1,026 ratings. Price $123.16. Customers appreciate the ease of installation and build quality of the lock. They mention it's convenient to enter a code, reprogram codes remotely, and appreciate the look and value for money. Customers dislike. However, some customers have mixed opinions on functionality, lock functionality, connection, and compatibility. The three-ranked product is Ultralock Smart Lock U-Bolt Pro. 7-in-1 fingerprint keyless entry door lock with app control, anti-peep keypad, auto unlock, auto lock, IP65 waterproof. Review score 4.3. Review count 12,709 ratings. Price $149.00. Customers like the ease of installation of the lock. They mention it's user-friendly, programs exactly like the instructions say, and is a great convenience for their families. Customers also appreciate the design. Customers dislike. However, some are disappointed with the connectivity and disagree on whether it works well. The fingerprint reader, build quality, and value for money. The four-ranked product is Ultralock U-Bolt Pro Smart Lock with Wi-Fi bridge. 7-in-1 fingerprint keyless entry door lock with app remote control. Backlit keypad, auto unlock, voice control with Alexa and Google. IP65 waterproof. Review score 4.3. Review count 12,709 ratings. Price $169.00. Customers like the ease of installation of the lock. They mention it's user-friendly, programs exactly like the instructions say, and is a great convenience for their families. Customers also appreciate the design. Customers dislike. However, some are disappointed with the connectivity and disagree on whether it works well. The fingerprint reader, build quality, and value for money. The five-ranked product is Ultralock U-Bolt Smart Lock. 5-in-1 keyless entry door lock with app control, keypad deadbolt, auto unlock, auto lock, smart door lock, smart locks for front door, smart deadbolt, black. Review score 4.3. Review count 6,749 ratings. Price $99.00. Customers appreciate the ease of installation and value of the lock. They mention the software is user-friendly and the bridge device doesn't stay connected to Wi-Fi. Customers dislike. However, some customers have reported issues with the Wi-Fi connectivity and disagree on its functionality.